be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Let's see. What's in the box? Do-do-do, do-do-do.
Oh.
What's in the box?
Huh.
Da-da-da, da-da-da. What's in the box? Do-do-do, do-do-do. What's in the box? What is it? La 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 la.
Wow!
La 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 la. I know what's in the box. Know what's in the box. I know what's in the box. Know what's in the box.
Fantastic!
Wow, an egg. Knock, knock. Who lives inside the shell? Oh, someone's hatching. Haha, prank. Let's find out who lives in eggs. It's a chick. Turtles hatch from eggs too. And this is a crocodile. What a cute penguin. Ostriches come from eggs too. Snakes are born from eggs too.
It's a puzzle game, let's do this.
Uh-huh.
Fill this puzzle piece by piece. So many shapes, eyes, mouth, and nose. Where do they go? Where do they go? It's a kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, you're so cute. Kitty, I love you. Meow, 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 meow.
More than warm, hot.
Good, good. Now I think you're ready to practice a lift.
A lift?
Yes, it's the trickiest part of the show where you have to lift the prima ballerina.
Well, I've carried some shopping in my time, so, you know.
It's a bit harder than that, Sonny Jim.
Is it?
Yes, let's give it a go. Right then, that's it. Behind me and hands on my hips. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and...
Oh, sorry.
Oh, crikey. You're going to have to work on your arm strength, mate.
Lifts are really hard. She jumps in the air, I have to catch her. I can't do this. Oh, hold on. I remember. Do you? Boy ballet dancers lift weights to make them strong enough to lift the girls. That's what I need to do. I need to make myself strong. Sweet.
Hey, are you ready to do some lifting?
So ready they have to invent a new word for ready.
Right then. Hands on my hips like before. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and... Wow, that was amazing, Sid. Right, I think you're ready for something a little harder.
Really?
Okay, hands out. I'm going to turn in. Here I go. And catch my leg. That's it. Pick me up. Oh, that's beautiful. Chest out. Oh, that's beautiful. And down. Wow, well done, Sid. I think you're ready to lift the prima ballerina in the show.
Thanks, coach.
Great. Well, go to your dressing room now.
Right.
Oh, before you go, don't forget these.
Oh.
You need to give these to the prima ballerina at the end of the show.
Okay, if we get that far. See ya.
See ya.
So, which dressing room is mine? Ah, there's a door with a star on it. And I'm a big star, right?
Stop.
Oh, sorry.
Young man, you should always knock before entering a dressing room.
Sorry, I just thought it was my dressing room.
I am the star of this show, the prima ballerina that everyone has come to see. Where's my costume?
Well, when did you last have it?
Go and fetch it from wardrobe.
There isn't a wardrobe in here.
Wardrobe is the room in the theatre where all the costumes are made, cleaned, and repaired.
Is it? Yes, it is. Wardrobe, where I'm going. Now, miss. Bye.
Let's play.
Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Ah, a room full of costumes. This must be it.
Of course it is, dear. This is the wardrobe department.
Hey, who said that?
Only me. I am the specialist shoemaker. I also make the costumes. But don't mind me. Carry on.
Oh, thanks. Right, now I need to find a costume for the prima ballerina, and I do not want to get this wrong. Oh, dear. Oh, I know. I remember to you. The prima ballerina is the lead dancer in the ballet, and she wears a costume which is different from all the others. So I need to find a costume that is the odd one out. That black one. That looks different.
That's the one, all right.
Brilliant. Thank you. And I'll need something for me. Ooh, this looks good. Can I borrow this?
Of course you can, my dear.
Thank you very much. Right, let's find our way back to the dressing room before the prima ballerina gets cross again. Ah, the door with the star in it. Oops, mustn't forget. No barging in.
Come.
It's me, Mrs. Prima Ballerina. I've got your costume.
Good boy.
Phew.
Let's play.
Come on. Come on. I get very nervous before the start of a big performance. Sit.
This is your 3-minute call. Will all dancers please go to the stage? Thank you.
Oh, it is time. Sydney, I could not have taken to the stage without my costume. You have saved the show. Now, I must go. It is time for my performance.
Let's play.
Wow, this is a great show.
You're on. Go.
What?
It's time to do your lift.
My lift. Oh, my lift. How do I do that? Oh, right. I think I've got it. Oh, wish me luck. Wow, high five!
Oh, that was great, Sid. Beautiful lift.
I just did exactly what you taught me. Oh, I love the ballet. Right, well, thanks for everything.
Where are you going? Oh, it's not over. It's only the interval.
The interval?
Yeah, half time.
Oh, right. So do we get half-time oranges?
No, but you can go to your dressing room for 10 minutes. See ya.
Okay, 10 minutes. Thanks. Whoa. Prima ballerina, what's happened?
My shoe. It's got a hole in it.
Oh, no.
I need a new pair now. Get me them, or the show cannot go on. Please.
Oh, shoes. She needs a new pair of ballet shoes. Her point shoes. Where am I going to get them from? Oh, hold on. I remember. Do you? Ballet shoes are made by a specialist shoemaker. And I met a shoemaker earlier. I'll ask her. Back in a moment. Specialist shoemaker.
Hello. Can I help you?
I hope so. I need a new pair of shoes for the prima ballerina, and she needs them now.
All right. Keep your hair on. Now let me see. Point shoes, point shoes, point shoes. Ah, point shoes. Here, will these do?
I hope so. Thanks very much.
Young people always in a rush.
Let's play.
Where is he? Come on, boy. Oh,
Here, your shoes.
oh, Sydney, once again you have saved the day.
Quick, come on.
Thank you.
Phew, just in time.
The bouquet, Sid. Give her the bouquet. For me? Thank you. How totally unexpected.
Wow, that was amazing.
Well done, Sid. Are you coming to the after-show party?
No, it looks like it's time for me to go home. But can I take one of those cakes with me?
Sure you can. See you later, Sid.
Lovely. Thanks. Well, we did it. We saved the day. But we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Boy ballet dancers lift weights to make themselves strong enough to lift the girls. The prima ballerina is the lead dancer and has her own special costume. And some ballet dancers wear point shoes, which have to be made by a specialist shoemaker.
Sid, I could never have done it without you.
Thanks. Well, it's time for me to go now, but it's been great dancing with you.
And you too.
Bye.
Bye.